Good day, sir. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB flash drive using command prompt or CMD. Before we start, plug in first the USB flash drive into laptop. And then, type CMD, right-click on it, and run it as an administrator. Then type this part. Then, type list this to show all the lists on the laptop. Type select disk 1 because the disk 1 is the flash drive and the disk 0 is from the laptop. Then clean the flash drive. Type create partition primary. Select partition 1. The next step is formatting, so that type format fs equals FAT32 quit. The last step is activating partition, so that type active. The partition is active. And that's all, sir. Thank you for watching.